reasoning about how the authors explain why there's a significant effect in this case. Okay, then you can, just use the similar language of the other author just to explain. Okay, in my case, P is not significant, C is not significant. Okay, and probably due to the circumstances of unique, I don't know, unique Russian culture or something, but which makes your results, very interesting and different. Okay. Normally, from my experience, that all factors should have a significant effect on visiting intentions. However, you find something that A, H, V are more important than P and C. In your case, so that's interesting. You have to explain it yourself. Why? Why is that the case here?
Can I use Russian paper because it's effective image, so it's like
you can use any papers, but you mean you use the papers written in Russia?
Yes.
Better choose paper written in English.
I know, but I have not exactly the same topic, but they also write about significance of effective image.
One paper is not enough. You still have to search other papers.
Just one of them can
be yes. If that's the case, you can just use it. Okay. If it supports you. Okay. Also, you need to provide a really good reasoning about why you think it's like this, so that people can understand. It's like they can understand your reason. Okay, you make your reason understandable, by other people.
Okay.
Because you need to explain the results. That's all you need to do. And after explanation of the results, you can continue writing the implication for the managers. Because you already explained why this would have occurred. So then you have a really good idea of how to write managerial implications. Because you know the root of the problem. Then your recommendation to the manager is to solve or avoid that problem.
Okay, I get it.
So that's all the thesis is all about. Okay? Follow this logic.
So I have one more question about defense. So in future defense, we must to explain our result, or we need to talk about our topic, why we choose it, blah blah blah, like this?
No, you don't have to talk about why you choose the topic. You just have to focus on your own work, presenting your findings to the viewers.
Result, right?
Your result. Also, why initially your introduction, why it is interesting, necessary for you to investigate this issue. Or this thesis, what drives you to write the thesis? You also need to present, and then your procedure. It's like data selection and all these reliability tests and all that. You all need to make a PPT to explain the whole process. Okay, but remember, you don't need to talk about we tried the different combinations, things like this. You just need to say that 8 factors does not support so our data does not support the 8-factor model, only support the 5-factor model here. Okay? After we perform the validity check. Okay?
I also don't need to talk about literature review, right? I just need to use it for my case.
You need it because if you want to talk about why it is interesting and necessary for you to investigate this issue, obviously you are talking about literature review.